Hi, I'm Chef Daniel. With over 25 years in bakery technologies and product development, today I will be showing you how to make a flavorful Mexico bun using the Saf-instant Gold instant dry yeast, which can be directly mixed with the other dry ingredient without being rehydrated. Here are the ingredients: high protein flour 500 gram, water 250 ml, whole egg 25 gram, sugar 100 gram, salt 8 gram, milk powder 20 gram, butter 40 gram, Magimix soft and fresh 4 gram, and Saf-instant Gold 11 gram. We start by mixing all the dry ingredients into the mixer. Mix it for 4 minutes slow and 6 minutes fast. Rest the dough for 5 minutes at room temperature. After resting, we divide the dough into 50 gram per piece. Rest for another 5 minutes. Then fill in the butter into the dough. Proof the dough at room temperature 27 degrees until the size is double. While the dough is proving, let us prepare the coffee flavor topping. This adds the delicious crispy crust to our Mexico bun, balancing the soft inner texture. Here is the ingredient: butter 100 gram, sugar 90 gram, whole egg 80 gram, instant coffee powder 4 gram with some little bit of warm water, medium protein flour 100 gram. After we get the topping, fill into a piping bag. Once the dough has risen, we will pipe the coffee topping on each bun. Then sprinkle chocolate chip or candy ball. Bake the bun at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes or until golden brown. Here is the delicious Mexico bun. Enjoy the recipe and stay tuned for more exciting video and baking tips.